You work hard, earn your paycheck, but by the time bills are paid, it feels like there's nothing left to grow your future. Sound familiar? Maybe you've heard whispers about investing, but the whole thing seems complicated and intimidating. Well, fret no more. Today we're diving into the world of micro-investing with a fantastic Aussie platform called Raiz. We'll break down how Raiz works, why it's perfect for beginners, and get you started on your journey to financial freedom, one tiny investment at a time. So, what exactly is micro-investing? Imagine this: you grab your morning coffee, a delicious, but maybe slightly overpriced, latte. What if, instead of letting that $5 disappear, you put it towards your future? That's the beauty of micro-investing. It's about taking small, regular amounts of money and investing them in the stock market. Why Raiz? Raiz is a user-friendly app that makes micro-investing a breeze. Here's the magic. Tiny amounts. You can start with as little as $5. That's right, your daily latte habit can become a springboard to building wealth. Set it and forget it. Automate your investments. Choose a recurring amount to be automatically transferred from your bank account to Raiz. This way, you invest consistently without even thinking about it. Diversification. Raiz creates diversified portfolios for you, spreading your investment across different assets to minimize risk. Simple interface. The app is intuitive and easy to navigate, even for complete beginners. Alright, you're hooked. Let's get started. Step 1. Download the Raiz app. Head to the App Store or Google Play and download the Raiz app. Step 2. Sign up. Creating an account is quick and painless. You'll need some basic info like your name, email, and phone number. Step 3. Choose your investment style. Raiz offers different investment options based on your risk tolerance. There's a quick questionnaire to help you determine the right fit. Step 4. Fund your account. Connect your bank account to Raiz securely and easily. Step 5. Set up Auto Invest, optional but highly recommended. Schedule automatic transfers from your bank account to Raiz. This ensures you're investing consistently and reaching your financial goals faster. Step 6. Relax and watch your money grow. That's it. Raiz takes care of the rest, automatically investing your money and keeping you updated on your progress. Raiz, it's like a tiny financial fairy godmother, sprinkling investment magic on your spare change. But wait, there's more. Raiz offers additional features like Round UPS, round up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the difference. Every little bit counts. Goals, set specific financial goals, like a dream vacation or a down payment on a house. Raiz will track your progress and keep you motivated. Educational resources, learn more about investing with helpful articles and videos within the app. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Don't expect to get rich overnight. But with Raiz, you're taking a powerful step towards building a secure financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.